Hello, future CAs. Welcome to the AS Milkshake by ICAI. Sir, what are you saying, sir? We're not able to understand. In advanced accounting paper, if you see lately in the last few attempts, what ICAI has done, which is very much relevant and important to test our concepts, instead of testing independent accounting standards in MCQ and descriptive, they have started combining accounting standards. Two to three standards are combined into one question and they are testing you. So it's going to go more deep into your concepts. So today what I'm going to show you is what are all those milkshakes possible by ICAI, or what are all the combination of questions possible by ICAI, guys. The first one we very well know, AS 11 and 16, there is a very important question in our ICAI study mat, RTP and MTP. There are multiple questions on this, where AS 11 and AS 16, where a company takes loan and foreign exchange to purchase an asset, how to account for that, important type of milkshake question. The next very important question, AS 20 plus AS 24, earnings per share from continuing and discontinuing operations where one of the entity has a loss. This question is there in RTP Jan 25 and not yet tested in the exam, and very important. It's also there in the study mat in AS 20. The next common question which has come in the past is AS 21, 23 and 27 put together, which is consolidation of subsidiary, associate and joint venture. Typically the 14 marks September 24 exam question, if you see, it was a question like this where all the students were shocked and 90% of them were not able to solve this question because first time ICAI gave a milkshake to you guys in the exam. Next one, which has come multiple times in the past, this one you easily handle, AS 4, 5, 9, 29 and 25. They will mix this mostly in MCQ questions, very rarely in descriptive. This is one set. There are many questions from this combination, and in fact AS 4 and 5, these two AS can come in a combination with literally any other accounting standard if ICAI wants to give, because AS 4 is adjusting event. I can connect any other standard with AS 4, guys. Next, AS 5 plus AS 12, refund of government grant, another common question that you guys know. Next, little unknown questions. I'm now getting into a few unknown questions. AS 2 and 9, if you see MTP question, there will be a question where in a shop there are empty milk bottles that consumers they consume, and after that these milk bottles are assembled back by the company and sold. Is this inventory or will I recognize revenue? So empty milk bottle sale, one question is there. And all these type of combination questions we have solved in our workout batches, where the difficult questions from AS is solved by us in the classes, guys. Next set is your asset based combination. AS 10, 12, 26 and 28, they can mix, and within this AS 10 and 26, tangible and intangible asset can be one set, or also AS 10 and AS 28. Very common question in impairment. They will first tell asset is purchased. The first 2 to 3 years, asset got some revaluation, then some impairment happened. Find the revised carrying value, find the impairment loss. Very common, tested in the past. This you know. Untested area which can come next milkshake. Be ready, guys. AS 16 plus AS 18. Sir, I am borrowing for an asset and that loan is taken from a related party transaction. So they can test your borrowing. They can test whether I should capitalize this asset. Then the borrowing will be at a little lower interest rate. So related party transactions also may come. These are untested areas. This is another combination which is possible, guys. Then AS 10, 19 and AS 9. Basically your asset sale and lease back is another combination. So these are some combinations which I have noted based on the past trends, and some combinations which I feel that may come. For those students who are watching, let me know in the comments what are all the combinations that you think can come which can be tested by ICAI either in MCQ or descriptive questions. I have not touched those standards like AS 22 etc., which are standalone questions, because this video is with respect to the milkshake only. So let me know what milkshake you think will come in the exam, guys. Thank you.